So as an employee who doesn't normally work at the car wash, for me, I learned a ton. I learned the hands-on experience, the electrical, some of the maintenance and how to do the maintenance and the equipment on the machinery, which I didn't have a ton of experience with before. So I was able to walk away in such a way that I'll go back feeling more confident to do things that need to be done and to do some troubleshooting as things occur. So we came into the class and did some classroom time. Went over kind of an outline of what we could expect. So we went through and they just got into what we were going to expect and what we were going to go over, and then just delve into the material. So we went through electronics, we went through the air boards and the pneumatics, we went through the entire car wash system kind of from start to finish, and then broke it down, and we would be in the classroom learning obviously about the different pieces of machinery and different mechanics, and then we would go down into the bays and apply it hands-on.